Alright, just before we get to this chopping block, I wanted to take the time and show you something I've recently received from YouTube. This package was supposed to come in Monday, but apparently I got it in today. And here it is, in all of its glory. The folks may be in question, hey, who the heck is Jackson Labs? Well, me. Technically this channel. Although this is my second one, as the first one got taken down for copyright reasons. So I started out on YouTube in December of 2008, just making Lego movies out of boredom in my bedroom using my laptop, and eventually switched over to making live action skits with my neighborhood friends after getting a camcorder for Christmas of 2009. Started going off from there. A lot of my movies were nonsensical or had very little in common, but slowly helped formulate who I am today. I've done a lot of good stuff for the past 7 years and still going strong up on this old channel here. One of which was a series called Ubi All Grown Up. So for those who are familiar with the old Noggin show, you get where I'm telling this. So I made a series called Ubi All Grown Up, which became the second most popular Ubi fan-made series behind Ubi at Work. Everything seemed fine up until the tables were turned, as just after 2015 had rung in, my channel was shut down by the copyright robots. Here's the thing, I shot those videos, but ended up using footage from the actual TV show to construct sort of a opening title sequence and let viewers know that Ubi All Grown Up was essentially a follow-up to that series, although with my own spin on it. After about a week and getting a second YouTube channel, which I have right now, and just pretty much started back up from there. None of my work by then was ever saved, because I didn't know how to save my work, but we all learn from our mistakes. One of those lessons is to save your work, which I have been doing ever since I have launched this channel and have been destroying toys up on here for your viewing pleasure, while also continuing to do what I love, which is making movies. And the whole idea of toy destruction up on here, it's more than the ad revenue, but rather trying to find more people of my interest. And so it's taken this long before I could finally reach 100,000 subscribers. And it's all thanks to you guys for making it possible. Normally with this type of sheet of paper, it would be crystal clear, like shiny in this case. But here it's just a plain old piece of cardboard and has some different text on here. Like I like the original one, between inverted commas, you've delivered the audience, now we're delivering the rewards. Things do change, and so this is the paper that YouTube now hands out as opposed to the old one. You have done something that very YouTube creators accomplish, which is to have an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained, blah blah blah. And to me, numbers don't really matter, just like math. And just like with Steven Spielberg's box office revenue, what matters is storytelling. Story is always crucial with his movies, especially with my channel. And maybe someday I can hit it big in Hollywood. But this is where I'm getting my start. And unlike the old play buttons, they would just usually have it in a glass box and the button would just be right in there, but this is the new ones that they're handing out. And here it is. This goes to prove that the second time around I could be just as big as my old channel, to which the wounds have since healed. It's all worth it. Now, without warning, Let's put the pedal to the metal.
Let's roll. Let's roll. Let's fix it up.
I see that nothing is broken.
Rectangle screw.
Except for you. Oh, shoot. Oh, man, I missed. You had one job, and that was to get broken. So it looks like I'll have to break you. Oh, shoot. Don't want those kind of neighbors running over this. I thought I had one incident where I just simply threw a plush at the car. And I was just a careless little boy by then. And they were just like, you scratched my car. I'm just like, it's a plush, so what? I'm an eccentric kind of guy, I get it. Haven't spoken with them in so long. Don't want to cause too much controversy. I busted the thing open and it still works, like magic.
Uh-oh, the lug nuts are loose. Quick, tighten the wheel. Belts, everyone. Ready?
The only way I get this thing to shut up is smashing the speaker. I expect this thing to start smoking right now. It's the Bam Slam gadget, and we're gonna bam and slam and bam this LeapFrog car. Alright, I think I'm smelling something now.
Quick, we need a mechanic.
I'm the mechanic. This would be better for my other arm. It's getting harder to turn this off now. Okay, now that's dead. Can't really burn this because it's fire season, and I'll get in trouble with the law. Thanks, Mom. There's no way in hell that I would destroy this masterpiece. It's awesome. We all fall down and get back up. And for me, I would like to share this with all of you. Good day.